Hi, Professor. My name is Bao Yang. Today, I will discuss the megatrend of climate change. A megatrend is a powerful force reshaping industries, economies, and societies over decades. Climate change is such a megatrend. Rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and shifting ecosystems are not just environmental concerns, but reshaping our economic landscape. By 2050, climate-related risk could cost the global economy up to $23 trillion. For business, climate change isn't just an environmental issue, it's a strategy concern. In my discipline of finance, three key drivers significantly influence how we approach the climate change megatrend. First, investors increasingly consider environmental, social, and governance factors, or ESG factors, in their investment decision making. Global ESG assets are expected to exceed $53 trillion by 2025. Second, banks and insurers are now incorporating climate risk assessment into their risk modeling. And third, there is a significant growth of green bonds and climate-aligned debt. This debt imposes confidence on the borrowers to reduce their negative environmental impacts. In 2023, the size of the global climate bond market was estimated to exceed $817 billion and reflecting the financial sector's emphasis on green investing. And AI is a powerful tool that supports my understanding of the climate changing impact. I drafted this first prompt on the left to ask ChatGPT to tell me about how green bonds works and how they contribute to climate change. The response was not satisfactory because it was too broad and the lack of examples. So I updated my prompt. ChatGPT now gave me a good answer, including specific example of green bond convenance. Although the reference it used were out of date, it at least found some sources for me to reading further. So lastly, let's explore these megatrend problems and the ethical implication on the finance sector. One significant problem is the risk of greenwashing. As the demand for sustainable investment grows, some companies exaggerate environmental credential, misleading investor and undermining sustainable investment and climate change efforts. Another potential risk is financial inclusion. Developing countries are often more vulnerable to climate change, but may struggle to access green finance. How should we balance the global climate goals with the need for economic development in these countries? These two issues pose ethical dilemma for the finance industry. Do financial institutions have moral obligation to divest from investment in non-green projects such as fossil fuel, even if it means lower short-term return for their clients? Should they be held accountable for the environmental impact of the company they fund? Should they, rather than the government, take the primary responsibility of the promoting economic growth? Address this challenge require a financial institution to balance stakeholders' interests and uphold strong ethical values, especially virtues. Thank you for listening.